Yes children, today we are going to do cursive writing. Yes, all of you know, yes, what is cursive writing? We have learned in senior KG, yes. So today we are going to do cursive writing. In cursive writing we are going to do patterns. All of you have books? Yes, cursive writing की बुक सबके पास आ गई है? ऐसी वाली बुक है cursive writing की? Yes, then open your book. Those who have your books, open your book, and those who don't have, do it in your rough book. Okay, so here I will show you how to draw cursive patterns. Yes, the first pattern is cursive pattern. As it go up, come down, make a curve, and again go up and make a curve, come down and make U, and again make U, then come down, again go up and make a snake. Snake कैसे बनाते हैं? ऐसे करना है आपको, ऊपर जाना है, फिर U बनाना है उल्टा, फिर से U, yes, curve down, again go up, make a curve and then come down, again go up and come down, make a curve and go down, up and down. Yes, you have to make a snake, but I will show you how to write in book. You don't have to write in book now. जब मैं आपको बोर्ड पे दिखा रही हूँ, आपको बुक में नहीं लिखना है. जब मैं अपनी बुक में लिखूंगी तब आपको लिखना है कि लाइन के बाहर नहीं जाना है. टच द ब्लू लाइन and then go up and touch the red line and then come down and make a curve. I will show you. Okay, so this is the first pattern. Yes children, go up, come down, make a curve, go up, make a curve and come down. Okay, now we'll see the next pattern. So which is the next pattern? Everybody knows. Yes, सबने C for cat लिखा हुआ है. Yes, so make a slanting line, then come down making a C, again make a slanting line, then make a curve and make a C, again go up making a slanting line and then make a C, again go up make a slanting line and make a curve, this is C, then again go up making a slanting line and make a C. This is which pattern? C pattern. Go up, make a C. आपको हाथ हिलाना नहीं है, ऐसे ही लिखना है. Okay, you don't have to move your pencils. You have to do sequentially. Yes, आपको पेंसिल नहीं उठानी है, ऐसे ही लिखते जाना है, पैटर्न बनाते जाना है in your book. Yes, so now we'll see the third pattern, which is go up, make a standing line, then again go up on the same line and make a curve and come down. मैम लिखते हैं ना, M for monkey. ऐसे आपको पेन उठाए बिना पूरा लिखना है. ऐसे go up making a standing line, then make a curve and come down. फिर उसी लाइन में आपको ऊपर जाना है, then make a curve and come down, then again go up on the same line and make a curve and come down, again go up, make a curve and come down making a standing line. You don't have to move your pencils children. Okay, again go up, make a curve and make a standing line. Yes, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? आपको पेंसिल उठानी नहीं है, उसी से आपको करना है. Okay, in the line. Yes, again go up, make a curve. Yes, you have to do line wise. Yes, blue red blue line के अंदर ही लिखना है. Yes, these are the patterns of cursive writing. cursive में जो ABCD लिखेंगे उससे हमको ये patterns आएगी तो ABCD easy हो जाएगी. Yes, all of you know. Yes children, so these are three patterns. Now I will show you the other patterns also. Now you have to make C. C बनाया था ना अभी, ऐसे C बना के फिर पूरा सर्कल बनाना है. क्या करना है? पूरा सर्कल बनाना है. Yes, then you have to go out, again come down, make a circle, You don't have to move your pencil, children. Remember that. Make a circle and then make a snipping line. Make a circle and then make a snipping line. Again make a circle and snipping line. Again make a circle and make a snipping line. Yes, you don't have to use any instrument. कोई भी कॉइन या रख के सर्कल नहीं बनाना है. जैसा भी बने आपको अपनी पेंसिल से बनाना है. ओके, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लिपिंग लाइन स्केल से नहीं बनानी है. यस चिल्ड्रन. यस. नाउ नेक्स्ट पैटर्न इज यू पैटर्न. मेक अ स्लैंटिंग लाइन, गो अप, touching the blue line, then come down, make a U, and then go up. Again come down, make a curve and go up. Yes, come down, go up, making a standing line. Again make a curve, go up. Again make a curve, then go up, come down, make a curve. And again make a curve, come down. This is U. Yes children? You have to make U pattern. Which pattern? U pattern. Yes. So here we have completed the patterns. Now I will show you how to write in your book. You have to write in neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Yes children. So I will show you how to write in your books. So children, now I will show you how to draw the pattern in your cursive book. Okay? Start from the bottom blue line, go up till the upper red line, make a curve and come down till the bottom blue line and again make a curve and go up till the upper red line, make a curve and come down till the bottom blue line. Again go up and then make a curve. You have to make a snake. Yes. So again go up, make a curve and come down till the bottom blue line. Blue line से बाहर नहीं जाना है, याद रखना है आपको. Again go up till the upper red line, come down till the bottom blue line and then make a curve and go up till the upper red line. Come down till the bottom blue line. Again go up making a curve and then again make a curve. U सबको आता है. Yes. U की तरह आपको curve बनाना है. एक उल्टा U और एक सीधा U and then we'll make a pattern. Yes. This is useful in cursive writing. Again go up till the upper red line. Make a curve and come down till the bottom blue line and make a curve and then go up till the red line and then make a curve. So this was the first pattern. Okay, first you have to trace it. Now we will do by our own. Start from the bottom blue line, go up till the upper red line, make a curve and then come down till the bottom blue line. नीचे की ब्लू लाइन तक टच करना है, फिर से यू बनाना है, देन गो अप, फिर कम डाउन, मेक अ कर्व एंड कम डाउन, अगेन गो अप, मेक अ कर्व. याद रखना है ब्लू लाइन को टच करना है, ब्लू लाइन से बाहर नहीं जाना है. यस चिल्ड्रन. गो अप टिल द अपर रेड लाइन, कम डाउन मेकिंग अ कर्व, देन अगेन कम डाउन. Yes children, you have to make a snake. Everybody has seen a snake. Yes. Yes. So you have to touch the upper red line and then you have to touch the bottom blue line. This is the first pattern we have drawn. Now we will go to the second pattern. Second pattern is C pattern. So we have to do, first we have to trace it. Yes. Start from the bottom blue line, make a slanting line and go up till the upper red line, then make a C. Yes, till the bottom blue line. Again make a slanting line, go up till the upper red line and then make a C till the bottom blue line. This is C. Yes, C pattern. You have to make the pattern line wise. Yes, go up till the upper red line, then make a C and come down till the bottom blue line. Again go up till the upper red line and then make a C. Go up making a slanting line and come down till the bottom blue line. This is C pattern. Yes, you don't have to pick your pencil up. Pencil नहीं उठानी है किसी को भी. लाइन में से करते ही जाना है. Okay children, you understood how to draw the pattern? Yes. First of all you have to trace. Trace करना है पहले. अभी इधर करना है नीचे. Go make a slanting line. कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है? ब्लू लाइन से, नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन से. Go up till the upper red line. Make a curve and then make a C. Go up, then make a C. Go up making a slanting line, then make a C. Yes, go up, then make a C. Yes, children, good. Go up making a slanting line, then make a C. Everybody, you don't have to pick your pencils up, yes? You have to do in the sequence only. You don't have to pick your pencils, okay? We have done the second pattern also. Now we will do the third pattern. Start from the red line, upper red line. ऊपर वाली red line से हमको start करना है. Yes, then make a standing line till the bottom blue line. Again go up on the same line. Same line में ऊपर जाना है. Then make a curve. Then make a standing line again. Then again go up on the same line. Make a curve. Come down. Again go up on the same line. Yes, you have to do like that. M बनाना है. सबको M बनाना आता है. Yes, you have learned in senior KG. So you have not to pick your pencils up. पेंसिल नहीं उठानी है. पेंसिल रखते ही ऐसे बनाना है. Okay. Go up, make a curve, then come down, making a standing line. Yes, children. Blue line से बाहर किसी का जाना नहीं चाहिए. Good handwriting में good patterns draw करना है. Okay. How I am showing you, you have to do like that. Okay, children. Go up on the same line, make a curve, then come down. Go up on the same line, then come down. Again make a curve and come down. Again make a curve and come down. Yes, children, you understood this is M pattern. Which pattern? M pattern. Now we will do by our own. Start from the upper red line, come down making a standing line till the bottom blue line, then again go up and then make a curve till the upper red line, come down till the bottom blue line, go up, come down. Yes, you have to make M. Yes, children, all of you know it. You don't have to pick your pencils up. Go up, make a curve and come down till the bottom blue line. Yes, you have to draw the patterns neatly. Go up till the upper red line, come down till the bottom blue line. Again go up and then come down till the bottom blue line. Bottom blue line यानी नीचे वाले line, blue line. Then go up on the same line until upper red line. Again go up and come down. Yes, you have to draw the M pattern. All of you can understand, no children? Yes, you have to make M pattern. You don't have to pick your pencils up. Okay, so here we have done the M pattern. Now we are doing O pattern. You have to start with a sleeping line, then make a C and then make a circle. Again make a sleeping line, then make a C and then make a circle. Then again make a sleeping line and go up till the upper red line and make a C till the bottom blue line and then make a circle. Again make a sleeping line, then make a semicircle and then a circle. You don't have to use any instrument. You have to do with the help of your hand. Again make a sleeping line, then make a circle and then again make a sleeping line. This is O pattern. Which pattern? O pattern. Yes. You have to make a circle. All of you know circle, how to make circles. Yes? You don't have to pick your pencils up. Make a sleeping line, again make a circle, sleeping line, then make a circle, sleeping line, then make a circle. So children, now again make a sleeping line and then make a C till the bottom blue line, go up and make a circle, then again make a sleeping line, then come down till the bottom blue line, make a circle till the upper red line, then again make a sleeping line and then make a circle. You have to don't go out from the red line and bottom blue line, और थोड़ा थोड़ा दूर ड्रॉ करना है, पास पास में नहीं करना है. ओके. And first you have to make a sleeping line, then circle, sleeping line, then circle. All of you have to make sleeping line, then circle. Okay? All of you know how to make circle, yes? Then you have to draw neatly in your cursive writing book. And those who don't have cursive writing book, draw in your rough book. Now we will do U pattern. You have to start from the bottom blue line, go up till the upper red line, then make a curve and go up till the upper red line. Again come down and make a curve. Again go up till the upper red line. Come down on the same line and make a curve. Again go up till the upper red line, make a curve. And then this will make a U pattern. All of you know how to make U? Yes, you don't have to pick up your pencils. You don't have to pick up your pencil and draw the pattern. Yes, किसी को पेंसिल उठानी नहीं है, ऐसे ही ड्रॉ करते जाना है पैटर्न्स. Which pattern is this? U pattern. You have to go up till the upper red line and come down till the bottom blue line. Again go up, come down, go up, come down. Yes, here you have to make a curve and then go up, again make a curve, go up till the upper red line, and this will make U pattern. Now we will do by our own. Start from the bottom blue line, go up till the upper red line, make a curve and then go up, again make a curve and go up. Come down on the same line and go up till the upper red line. This is U pattern. You have to draw the U pattern and you don't have to pick your pencils up. Yes, children? Go up, make a curve, come down, go up, make a curve. Again go up, make a curve and go up. Again go up, make a curve and come down. This is U pattern. All of you have to draw neatly and rightly. Okay, don't have to pick up your pencils. कोई भी अपनी pencils उठाएगा नहीं. Okay? Yes. Now again we will draw the U pattern. Start from the bottom blue line. Bottom blue lines means नीचे वाली blue line से आपको pattern start करना है ऊपर वाली red line तक. Again come down and make a curve. ऐसा curve बनाना है. Then go up till the upper red line and come down. Again go up and make a curve and come down. Yes, you have to make a U pattern. All of you understood how to draw the pattern? You have to draw in your fair book neatly. Okay? Go up and come down making a curve. Again go up, come down making a curve. Go up, come down making a curve. Yes, start from the bottom red line, bottom blue line and go up till the upper red line. Come down, make a curve and go up. Make a curve and go up till the upper red line. You don't have to take your pencils and you have to draw the pattern. Here we have completed the pattern. All of you have to draw the patterns neatly. Okay, and don't pick your pencils up. Okay children, you have understood? If you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.